Oh, the winter it is past, and the summer's come at last.
Damo chorus onóracha agan sa tír seo bard náisiúnta. Se Christy Moore an duine about warlist sin sílam héin.
Oh, their little hearts are glad.
Ceapan gur sais bon cloch nó figure I lórnach é. Bhí Christy go ann I lór an movement seo the cheoil.
Denna tá níos congri de crí muinter na hÉireann ná in éile.
Like, in a way, he didn't have an audience so much as nearly a congregation. And you see that in the archive. You see the respect for the song.
My dear, and myself and Don Lunny, we were away on a hack.
The daoine le gclár mar sin ag gal an éireann daoine cuairte atá I géirí daoine atá híos futhú a chur faoi chos. Christy a has an fód dáibh sin tá mar fáil so féil chuidhór daoine in áit níos massa gan Christy.
Oh, I wish I was back coming down.
This lyric book shows you how he learns a song. He writes a song and rewrites a song and rewrites a song, and this is how he embeds it into his memory.
Ní higlaat prijs na luach a chur an cinnal crí a teag daine chat a níon seo agus a tas maidú. She's ballach mór.
You got to take one day at a time, and I've got to do today what I can do, and all I can do today is come into the Trad archive and shed some light on the songs, and maybe in the shedding of the light, maybe some light will emanate. Saddle up the old grey mare, Tim Big Danny and Jackie Timmy are gonna ride across the mountain to Puck Fair. I love that.